Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe in, just imagine you're breathing in a feeling of calm and relaxation. Breathing in that relaxation, and as you exhale, just feel like any tension and stress is leaving your body. That's right. Going deeper and deeper relaxed with each and every breath. I want you to focus on your breathing. Create a color that best represents relaxation for you. Imagine as you breathe in that color going in through your nose, filling your lungs, taking you deeper and deeper relaxed. And when you exhale, imagine a darker color leaving your body, representing the stress, anxiety, tension, or whatever your body considers negative leaving your body. Breathing in that colorful, warm color and exhaling something darker or perhaps shadowy. That's right. With each and every breath, you're going deeper and deeper relaxed. And I want you to use the power of your imagination to imagine that you are walking in an ancient rainforest. Perhaps there is a trail, and perhaps you can notice all the sounds around you. Perhaps the sounds of animals, the sounds of leaves rustling in the breeze. Perhaps you can notice all the different shades of green in all the different colors around you. As you continue to breathe in that feeling of calm and relaxation, acclimatize to the temperature in this ancient rainforest and get a sense that you feel deeply relaxed, calm, and safe and secure in this ancient rainforest. And it occurs to you that you are an explorer on a quest to find something very precious and very rare. And as you find your way through the rainforest, I want you in the distance to see an ancient temple, perhaps thousands of years old. As you get closer, you can become aware of markings in the stone, perhaps statues, giving you a sense of just how old this statue is. Continue to feel deeper and deeper relaxed, and I want you to imagine there is a door to the temple. As you unlock the door to the temple and open the door, feeling that you are becoming more open-minded, the representation of the door opening creates a feeling of open-mindedness for you. As you open the door, I want you to notice that the temple takes you downwards. Notice there is a stone staircase. Notice that there are torches on either side of the staircase, and I want you to grab one of the torches, light them, and feel that as you're going down the staircase, you're carrying the torch with you, lighting your path. I'm going to count down from 10 to 1, and with each descending number, you will take a step down the ancient temple staircase, deeper and deeper down. And with each descending number, you will feel 10% deeper and deeper relaxed, going into the depths of this ancient temple. Starting to count 10, taking the first step down as you hold onto that torch, lighting your way as you go deeper and deeper relaxed. 9, another step down the staircase, feeling more and more calm, relaxing any tension in your neck and your shoulders. 8, another step down the staircase, feeling just looser, naturally as you walk, as you move. 7, as you breathe now, the breathing becomes effortless and relaxed, making it easier to breathe, even deeper than you were before. And you notice the smell. The smell is a musky smell, because this door to this ancient temple perhaps hasn't been opened for centuries. That's right. 6, another step down the staircase, taking you deeper and deeper relaxed. That's it. More and more comfortably relaxed. 5, halfway down the staircase now, into the depths of this ancient temple. 4, 10% deeper and deeper relaxed. That's it. Letting go of any unnecessary tension, feeling it just melt away. Now, that's it. 3, deeper and deeper as you walk down the staircase into the depths of this ancient temple. 2, through the light from your torch, you can just see the bottom of the staircase, feeling like you're nearly all the way deep down to the bottom of this ancient temple. 1, that's it. A final step. 0, now you're at the bottom of the ancient temple. And as you hold this torch and you walk forwards, notice that you are now in what appears to be a very large room. You use the torch in your hand to light the other torches on the peripheral, the edges of this large temple room. And I want you to notice at the head of the room is almost like a stage, perhaps where ancient priests would do lectures and sermons. And notice that in the middle of that raised area is a font. And that font is the precious gift that you've been looking for a long time. This is the elixir of life. Your life's quest has been to find the elixir of life, an ancient legend of a liquid that would give you rejuvenation, youth, the ability to heal all illnesses. And there it is in front of you. In this font, you can see this running liquid. And what if this running liquid, this elixir of life, had the ability to do so many magical things for you? What if this elixir of life, just by drinking it, could improve your circulation? What if it could improve your body's ability to excrete waste and anything that could cause harm to your body, just have it leave your body? What if it could help your internal organs to become stronger and more effective? Essential organs like your heart. What if anything toxic in your body, it could help to eliminate, to excrete? And at the same time, anything useful for your body, what if it could amplify the body's natural ability to absorb nutrients and anything healthy and powerful for the body? What if this elixir of life didn't just make you feel good, but increased your energy and mental alertness? Perhaps for those people that were overweight, if they would take the elixir of life, what if it would help support healthy weight loss, while simultaneously improving their complexion, making them feel more confident, but actually be more attractive, having that healthy glow? What if this elixir of life helped make people stronger, supporting the body's ability to build muscle? What if it also enhanced brain function? This elixir of life could actually make people think quicker, not just be more alert, but potentially create the neural plasticity, the ability to rewire your brain to think new thoughts, learn new things. What if this elixir of life really could teach old dogs new tricks? What if it could boost the immune system, allowing the body to fight infections proportionate to the level of risk, not be so overly active, but not be underactive, to give the body everything it needs to have a healthy, effective immune system? What if just by drinking this elixir of life, it could prevent or reduce headaches, prevent kidney stones, prevent cramps, actually help to have supple joints, allowing knees, hips, elbows, shoulders to work exactly as they should? What if it could reduce the likelihood of backaches and the kind of things that naturally can come with old age? And what if it even did something as simple as reducing or preventing bad breath? Imagine if such a liquid could do all of these things, that it could increase the body's ability to metabolize fat, that just by drinking this elixir of life, it could decrease cravings for anything processed or addictive, like sugar or salt. What if it could do all these things and more? What if this elixir of life could actually create optimum health, well-being, energy? What if it could actually help you to live longer? You've been on a quest for years to find this elixir of life, and you finally found it. And you have an empty bottle, and I want you to put the bottle into the font, or perhaps where it's trickling down, just fill the bottle with this elixir of life. And I want you to imagine taking this bottle, putting it to your lips, and having the first taste of this elixir of life that you've been searching for, been on a quest for many, many years. And I want you to, as you drink this liquid, this elixir of life, to immediately feel how good it feels to have this sensation of this cool liquid on your lips, your mouth, on your tongue. As you swallow, just imagine that this is going to do all of these things and more. Help to increase health, energy, vitality, mental alertness, encourage your body to fight any infections, improve your body's digestive system, even reduce the possibilities of cancer or any of the illnesses and things that could cause early or premature death. Imagine this elixir of life isn't just doing that, but it's cleansing your body. It's allowing your body to excrete anything that your body doesn't need. Toxins, perhaps. Any of these things that your body doesn't have a need for. Simply by drinking this liquid, you are improving your whole body. Youthfulness, energy, having the ability to become stronger and a better version of the body that you already have. Everything improves, and feel like your body is becoming healthier just by drinking this liquid, this elixir of life. That your heart is getting healthier, that your body is getting healthier, your skin is getting healthier, that your internal organs are healing, that it has the ability to give you more energy, more of everything that you desire. Because what is life if you don't have the health to enjoy it? You could have all of the money in the world, but without health, it becomes meaningless. And at the idea of this elixir of life being so valuable, I want you to see that right next to the font is ancient gold, perhaps from thousands of years ago, perhaps gold statues, perhaps gold treasure, gold jewelry. And I want you to get a sense as you taste the cool feeling of this elixir of life, as you continue to drink this magical liquid, that all of the gold in the world will not give you the ability to feel this good, to have your body moving in the direction of increased health, well-being, energy, vitality, and youthfulness. And I want you to make a commitment to yourself that wherever possible, you will consume this elixir of life whenever you can. You desire the thing that your body needs more than anything else, apart from perhaps oxygen. But your body can survive just a few minutes without oxygen. And it can only survive perhaps a few weeks without food, perhaps several days without sleep. But after oxygen, the most essential thing that your body needs more than anything else is water. And it occurs to you, as you taste this elixir of life, that this elixir of life is fresh, clean water. That the fresh, clean water can do all of these things and more. That it's, after oxygen, the most valuable commodity on the planet. And you make a commitment to yourself to increase the amount of fresh, clean water that you will drink, so that you can unlock the health, well-being and vitality within you. That you will become more alert, more energetic, you will sleep better, your digestion will improve, your heart health will improve. Everything will improve as you drink more water. And from this point onwards, every time you see water, you will be reminded that water is the true elixir of life. That if there was one thing that could immediately improve your health and well-being, increase the length of time that you can live, improve your overall health, vitality, and make you feel more youthful, then water is the elixir of life. And it occurs to you that you don't need to take the elixir of life with you. Just fill enough to fill up your bottle, and as you leave the ancient temple, you take the knowledge that the true elixir of life is drinking water. And to benefit from drinking water, you need to drink water. And it's time to leave this ancient temple now, but you leave with the wisdom, the knowledge that the true elixir of life is to replace other drinks with drinking water. That it's the most precious and powerful drink that there is. I want you to climb those stairs, walk back through that ancient door, find yourself back out in the rainforest. And as you look in that rainforest, it occurs to you that the difference between a desert and a rainforest is the amount of water that actually rains in this area. And as you look at this ancient rainforest teeming with life, teeming with energy, you get a sense that water is the thing that creates all of this life. And if water can turn a desert into a rainforest, then water can turn a tired, overweight, unhealthy body into a youthful, energetic, strong, alert body. In a few moments' time, I will count from 1 to 10 to awaken you, and you will awaken feeling energized, revitalized, full of the magical ingredients of the elixir of life. But more importantly, you will awaken with the wisdom that by drinking more water, you could rapidly and dramatically increase your health and well-being. And you will unconsciously desire to drink more water, and as you drink more water, you will feel better, you will feel healthier, and whenever you feel tired, lethargic, or that you're craving unhealthy food, you will have an unprompted desire to just drink more water. Because your unconscious now knows that water is the elixir of life, with all of the benefits that drinking this magical liquid will give you. Starting to count to awaken you. 1, 2, 3, waking up. 4, 5, 6, more alert. 7, 8, open your eyes, open your eyes. 9, 10, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake.